Hey there, this is Adrika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about assignment operators. Okay, so let's make a new file here, tute17.py. Okay, here let's make two variable here, name to be Adrika and age to be 13. Okay, so if I write here name plus equals to Bhadoria. And now let's print the name. Okay, see, it has written Adrika Bhadoria. Let's give a space here. It has written Adrika Bhadoria. Okay, so what does this plus equal sign do? It is equals to name is equals to name plus Bhadoria. Okay, see, let's print name here, copy and paste it. Okay, so let me comment this out and let's run this one. See, it is also giving Adrika Bhadoria, and if we comment this one out and run this one, it is also giving Adrika Bhadoria. Okay, so here in this line, what is it doing here? It is changing the value of name. As you can see here, we have written name is equals to, so it is changing the value of name with name, that is Adrika. Okay, what is the value of initial value of name? It is Adrika. So Adrika plus Bhadoria. I've already told you in my previous videos how strings are concatenated. If you haven't watched that video, there is a bar on the top of the window. You just have to click that and check out that video. Okay, so here, as it is written here Adrika, the value of name is Adrika, so it is concatenating Adrika with Bhadoria. Now it is Adrika Bhadoria. Okay, and this Adrika Bhadoria is the new value of our variable name. Okay, hope I made myself clear. So instead of writing this long process, we just have to write name plus equals to Bhadoria. Okay, so this line is equals to this line. Let's cut it here and paste it here to make it more clear to you. Okay, either you write this or you write this, both are equal. Okay, now let's write here name multiply equals to 3. Okay, okay guys, let's print name here, print name. Okay, and let me comment this out so that it does not make any problem. Okay, now let's run it. As you can see here, Adrika is repeated 3 times, right? I have told you that multiplying a string with a number results in repeating the strings the times we have given the number. Okay, so what is it doing here? It is changing the value of name to name multiply 3. Okay, just like this it is doing here. It is changing the value of name to name, that is Adrika, multiply 3, means Adrika is repeated 3 times and that is the new value of our variable name, and it is printing here name. Okay, so either you write this or write this, both are correct. Okay, now let's move to age, which is a number. Okay, let's comment this one out. Okay, now here if we write age plus equals to 1, so what do you think it will do? Obviously it will add 1 to the age. Let's run it. Oh sorry, I haven't printed the age here, that's why. Okay, so it has added 1 to the age. It is like this only. What is it doing here? It is equals to age plus 1. Okay, it is adding 1 to our initial age, and the new value, that is 14. 13 plus 1 is 14, so 14 is the new value of our variable age. So now wherever we will use age here, it will use the value 14 as the value of age. Okay, now let's write here age minus equals to 1. Okay, let's copy this line here and paste it. See, now it is subtracting 1 from our initial age. Okay, so here also it is equals to age minus 1. It is subtracting 1 from our initial age, and the new value, that is 12, is the value of our variable age now. Okay, if you want you can subtract 2 also here, that's your choice, but I subtracted 1 here. Okay, let's write 1 here. See, now let's use multiply. Age multiply equals to suppose 2, and here we will print our age. Print age. See, it is writing here 24. So do you know why it is giving 24 here rather than writing 26, as 13 twos is 26, but it is writing here 24? Do you know why? Because as you can see here, we have changed our value of age to age minus 1. Age that was 13, 13 minus 1 is 12. Okay, so now my value of age is 12. Okay, as I told you that now everywhere from this line to any line, Python will consider the value of age to be 12. That's why it is multiplying to 12 by 2. So 12 twos is 24. That's why it is giving here 24. Hope I made myself clear. Now let's divide it. Age divide equals to 2. Okay, and if we print our age here, it will give 12.0. Do you know why it is giving 12.0? Just like this case, now in this line our value of age has again been changed. Okay, here age is now equals to age multiply 2. Okay, so that is now 24. Okay, so 24 divided by 2 is 12. That's why it is giving here 12.0. Okay, now if we write here floor division, right? It is floor division. So now it is giving here 12. I've already told you that what are different types of operators. So you can check out that video. There's a bar on the top of the window. You can click on that bar and check out that video. Okay. So this one is also equals to this one divided by 2, and if you write here age floor division is equals to 2, it will print. Now we will print age and it is also equals to this. Okay, now we will run it. It is 6.0. So why it is giving 6.0 here? Because the value which we are dividing, that is 12.0, it is a float value. As you can see here, 0.0 is also there. That's why it is returning 6.0. Let's write it like this so it will be more clear to you. See, now it is first it is doing floor division, right? And then it is doing a simple division. So in floor division it is giving only 12, and in simple division it is giving 6.0. Hope I made myself clear. So that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.